Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. Guys, we got to go for Avalanche. I was like, what could we do for an ending video on Friday? I'll do a Bitcoin video to end this day, but we got to look over Avalanche, guys. Avalanche, I say this and it's like as a joke, but I'm proud of Avalanche over here. It's sitting at number 10, and obviously, I don't know if you guys have been watching Avalanche for a while. It was nowhere close to number 10, rewinding just 6 months ago. So, man, Avalanche, you're doing good. Okay, I'm going to show you guys some bullish signs over here because we were basically able to call this pump over here looking at the metrics, and I want to show you guys of how this is actually just getting better. So this is like literally while we're talking right now, this is starting to head back up. It is one of the coins that are rebounding the best out of all of them. I know some of these coins like Link, this is seeing a little bit of rebound this morning too, so we're seeing this bullishness come back into the market. But AVAX, guys, we're about to win this trade, which is going to put us at 111 wins and 0 losses. So watch this carefully today, guys, because I'm going to be watching this today and over the weekend. And click the links in the description to access our metrics and trade setups. You guys will see that at tradeconfident.io. It'll give you guys access in the Telegram channel so you guys can trade with us. So let's go over this exciting coin because this is probably going to be our next win. Take a look at this trend dashboard. Most of retail traders right now are looking to go long. I know this because most of the major indicators they use are green this morning. So we're looking for this to possibly be a move back up. Guys, here is my call on the crypto market. I just did an Ethereum video. Here's my call. It is we are looking for a temporary drop in an overall uptrend. Okay. Let the market drop. Don't get nervous. Do not get nervous. Let this market drop back down. It's going to be healthy for a continuation back up. All right, so make sure you guys are watching this. Now come down here, look at price for swell money flow and trend exhaustion. Look at what happened here, guys. Trend exhaustion high, well money flow high. This is where we're looking for these moves back down when we get up here. Yes, we've already seen that. This is good. The indicators are holding true. Previous time we got up here, trend exhaustion high, well money flow high, we saw the drop back down. All you guys are looking for to predict the drops and the pumps before they happen, which just correlates to dough in your bank accounts, is you are looking at trend exhaustion to be in the top red section, well money flow to be high, and this is where we're looking for those drops. Called it here, called it here, called it here. If you also come over here and you look at this right there and you go straight up, it called the drop here before it happened. You come up here, it also called the drop right here before it happened. And we are not talking about little moves in the market. These are pretty decent moves over here. Now, actually, before I take out a price range because it'll remove this, I also want to show this to you guys. I know a lot of you guys are scalping now. Well, you're waiting for trend exhaustion to be low, well money flow to be low, and you're looking for that 3 to 4% back up. Even those of you guys who ended up taking positions over here, you guys were able to even get back into the market for 3 to 4% here. All of you guys who ended up taking the recent scalping trade where you wait for trend exhaustion being bottom red section, well money flow low, and emotional index being in the anxious section, you guys are looking for 3 to 4%. Everybody has won those trades. Everybody on this pump. So congratulations, guys. You are printing money over here with the indicators. That's pretty awesome. And I want to show this to you guys too. Look at the price range here. These are not small moves. Can you take a 3 to 4% profit out of 12%? Yes, I think a lot of us can. So this is pretty easy. That's on the small move compared to this, which is probably around 20% that we saw pump up in the market. So yeah, 23%. Guys, you're doing amazing. These indicators are in the description. We will never have these indicators lower in price than we have them right now. Okay? They will never be lower than this. Ever. So we literally have the Black Friday sale going on right now because we thought it would be fun in a bear market. We're like, let's help everybody out. Market's going down. Gasoline prices cost more than a gallon of milk right now. And it's like, let's help people out, guys. Snag these. We have them literally 84% off in the description. With that said, I'm going to jump us over into metrics here, but watch this. For my scalpers, the next time this gets in the bottom red section, watch well money flow to be low, probably around this area, and you guys are looking for another entry for a long trade for 3 to 4%. Now, that is our quick scalping strategy. Our overall strategy, where we have literally won 110 wins in a row, and it's what I trade with my $150,000 over here with you guys, and we're currently at about 125 if we can round that, if that's okay. We're doing very good, guys. As we start moving back up here, I'm going to be looking to call an exit on here, probably close to this structure high up here, and I want to snag about 7 to 8%. So watch in Telegram over today and the weekend and over next week for me to call that exit, and then I will tell you exactly when I'm getting back into Avalanche so you guys can join me on the next Avalanche entry to take probably the 112th, 13th, or 14th win on this channel. Okay, guys, let's go over this real quick. Diving into the pricing here, you guys are going to be able to get access to obviously the win rates here and all the trades that we're taking, but it's just $95 a month, guys. That's it. You guys get a full metric suite that we're about to go over, as well as all of the entries. A lot of people out there, if I can just say this real quick, guys, a lot of programs are charging hundreds of dollars, like $2, $3, $4. I actually had a program that I signed up for, was like $1,200 a month. And it was calling like crypto pumps, $1,200 a month. We're 95, and I want you guys literally get like a metric suite for each of the coins, and I'm calling out all the entries and exits for you guys, and you guys get a bunch of masterclasses, literally to take you guys to the pro level of what I've taught institutions and Wells before, literally worth billions of dollars. Watch those masterclasses; you guys will love them. So this weekend, hit up a coffee shop, get your membership, and just watch these masterclasses. You guys will love it. All right, let's dive in deep. Go to the front page, scroll down to Avalanche, and let's dive into the metrics, because this is where it gets fun. Okay, we got up in here close to the excited area. When it's excited, what happens in the past? Well, we're looking for these drops back down. Great, we got it. Let's move down here. Long versus short trades, staying steady, and actually long trades are creeping up just a little bit, and long trades are staying steady here. This is bullish, guys. Now come over here and look at this bad boy. The market cap strength of Avalanche, guys, is exploding here. Literally, in the last day, this is millions and millions and millions of dollars coming into Avalanche. But understand this metric is relative for market cap to the entire market. So that means money is coming out of other altcoins and it is being shoved into Avalanche. Literally, people are abandoning their other altcoins because it's a percentage of market cap relative to the entire market. They're abandoning other coins and they're putting it in Avalanche, guys. As this market starts moving up, I wouldn't doubt if Avalanche is one of those that actually hits the all-time high first. So watch that. And that is based off millions of dollars pumping into Avalanche, even as we go down. Like, this is not necessarily normal, guys. This means Wells institutions are like, we want it, we want it, we want it. I know we had some members email us about some new, I believe it's some new protocols they have on the Avalanche network, and they're expecting some like ridiculous skyrocket moves. I'm like, hey, that matches what the metrics are looking like over here. So definitely I would get some money into Avalanche if you don't already have that. Okay, guys, trades in favor sitting in the neutral section here. Watch this morning. These metrics will update here in about 23 minutes. So get the new data that's about to come out this morning and check the website, because that's like, we have like thousands of people on the website. It's pretty crazy at 8 o'clock, and you guys check this, and good for you. You are checking this before you enter or exit trades. This is how you stay profitable. Look at this, guys. Wells and institutions came out and looked to short this up here, and they were already seeing the drop from here. So yeah, it's pretty hard, guys, to look at this metric and expect the price to just keep going up. You're gonna get some type of pullback. Last time this happened, Wells and institutions came out here, they shorted this, and the price went back down. They shorted here, the price went back down. They shorted here. They didn't get what they want right away, but they then eventually ended up getting the drop and then another drop over here. So watch what institutions and Wells and smart money are doing, guys. This is normal. Let this thing drop back down for a higher low, and then to create a higher low formation for a healthy move back up for a higher high. Okay, that's what we're looking at over this weekend. Support and resistance prices, guys. The next resistance, let me get this out of the way here so we can actually see this. Let me just pull this over here. The next resistance we're looking for is structure high here, but I'm really looking at this 90 mark up here. That's what I'm kind of paying attention to. By next week, guys, no doubts, by next Friday, we could hit up to $90. Easy, guys. You guys are like, well, I don't know about that. Let me show you some evidence here. Let's take a date range. How long did it take us to go from here to here? Well, that took us 1 day and 12 hours. Okay, we've got the weekend, and I'm predicting this by next Friday because it's simply a healthy higher low to a pump back up. This is looking like a percentage increase. Let's do a price range here of about, I would say about 16%. That's not unrealistic. That did it in about a day and a half. And we're looking at this by next Friday. That's why this next prediction of next Friday, I'm looking at this to hit about $90, which is going to be right around that 20. Let me get that price range tool out here one more time. About 16%. I would say about 15 to 16% we could see growth in Avalanche by next Friday. And that's bullish based off the actual market cap as well. Dollar cost average entries, guys. If you guys took this entry down here, like, oh my gosh, great job, guys. Look at that entry. Look at well money flow low, trend exhaustion low. You can't get a better entry than that, guys. All my scalpers, congratulations. You could have thrown money in the dark and made money on that. So great job. You guys did amazing. Exit points over here, waiting for this to move back up again, and then we're looking for the drop. So watch this. It called the drop there, called the drop over here, and it got overextended. We actually coded this. I coded this to call us I tried to make this call it before we got to the peak top, just so we could start getting money out before the institutions do. So once we start moving back up here, I will be calling an exit. We'll win our 111th trade, and then we're probably going to get a decent drop back down. So watch my call on that. Okay, guys, trade setup. I want to keep this private for our members, but let me show you how to get into a trade setup right now so you guys can trade this. Because literally, if you get into this trade right now, you will be at like the exact same entry I'm at. So you're going to experience these profits with us. So it's kind of like a second round of redemption. If you're brand new, here's your guys' chance. And actually, you may get into a little bit of a better entry because it's below our break even. So here's how you guys do this. Go to that front page, click on the Avalanche metric, and you are going to see 4 different buy limits, okay? With those 4 buy limits, here's what you can do. I'm going to show you on Bitcoin to keep it as an example. Let's say you have $1,000. Split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions, so $250. $250 at each of the buy limit prices. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Once your first buy limit gets hit, set up a sell limit in green for 100% exit, which is going to be this price over here on the actual website, all right? Once you guys see that, you guys can literally follow me in this trade. And if you want to, guys, listen, I don't say this a lot, but this is a coin that I do think, because of the market cap, this thing could explode very fast. If you guys want to forego waiting for the first one to get hit for the buy limit and just market order in with 25% right now, that's not a terrible idea, because you're still going to have 3 other buy limits below here, okay? That will give you guys literally an entry lower than what I have if you're watching this video and it's below the entry here at 78.48. Then all you guys have to do then is follow me in Telegram, and I will literally just call an exit for you guys at the best place I can find with all the data we have here, which has gone 110 wins now, and you guys can exit with me. And then, exciting for you guys, I will actually then tell you exactly when I'm getting back into the Avalanche trade, so you can all join us on the next win for Avalanche. This is going to be awesome. You guys are getting like a really cool day to set things up on this Friday. So make sure you guys are in the Telegram channel. Once you guys are logged into the membership, you guys can click right here or come up here and click the menu bar, and then just click Telegram hot link. Literally click the hot link once you're logged into Telegram on your personal account. It will literally just straight up just add you to the Telegram channel. It's like really simple. If you guys have questions about that, just email us. Okay, the indicators real quick, and I want to leave you guys with this. We have a sale going on right now that you don't want to miss. The exit that I'm going to call is most likely this, guy, so follow this. Next time trade and exhaustion gets to the top red section and well money flows high, I am looking for that to be our next exit. Okay, so if you guys want to beat me to that and look at that, that's great. I'm going to try to be looking at these charts a little bit more than normal, but this weekend, that is the next place I'm looking at. If we can target this resistance right around this area, sorry, I'm going back to the analysis real quick, I'm looking at 7 to 8%. So everyone knows 7 to 8% on the first exit, and then what I'll probably do is move our stop loss to break even in case this thing just wants to skyrocket, and then we'll move our 50% stop loss up here. So we'll probably exit 50% around 8% in profit, move our stop loss here in case this thing just wants to blow up. We want to keep ourselves exposed to an absolute blow off top here. It's not a blow off top. It has to get pretty high, but let's call this a top. We'd absolutely like blow past this maybe by next week. So literally, I'll call everything out in the Telegram channel. But the indicators are what you guys need to watch that. So we literally have 84% off all the indicators right now. The 3 that you guys need, price, risk, money flow, trend dashboard, and trend exhaustion, these 3 are 40% off. Don't buy these individually. I know this is weird for me to say this. Get the bundle pack, because you're literally going to get all 3 of these and all 9 of these total, and it's going to be cheaper. So the best deal, guys, the absolute best deal is to get the bundle pack today and use coupon code MARCH at checkout, and that will give you guys the 84% off. And literally, this is the lowest we will ever have these indicators, so make sure you guys are setting this up, because we are using this to call the exits, as well as you guys can come over here and scalp with the indicators. If you look over here at masterclass videos, if you scroll all the way down to masterclass 7, I will teach you guys how to scalp with the indicators, and then I'll also teach you guys how to spot huge market moves and reversals with the indicators in masterclass 8. So watch that, guys. I'll leave you guys with this, because this I think is just really fun. Testimonials, if you guys haven't seen this, basically one of our traders emailed us in, and it was super awesome. His balance, he basically on the Ethereum trade, he made $7,000 since March 1st. My balance went from $80,000 on February 1st to $120,000 today. I owe it all to you by simply following your advice on a daily basis. Thanks so much for all you do, buddy. This is awesome. This is why we do what we do. And guys, thank you so much for helping us hit 50,000 subscribers. It is so awesome. So if you guys like these videos, if you like how I present stuff, you like the metrics, subscribing to the YouTube channel is just an awesome way to support us. And I think you guys will actually like the analysis, and it'll probably help you guys trade a lot better. So I really appreciate that if you guys want to do that. I have your indicators, and I feel like a god now. I am just cracking up about that. I just think that's super funny. And you guys can keep looking at what people are doing down here. It's just awesome how much people are able to make $4,000 plus in 24 hours here. These guys have our indicators, and they have our membership, a lot of these guys, and they are doing super, super well. So I've made $12,000 in this bear market, and my friends are down about 65% in their account. We are keeping you guys safe. So God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing, amazing weekend. Get the indicators in the description as well as the membership over here. You guys can enter all the trades with us. We're about to win another trade on Avalanche. Come over here, join us, and I will see you guys in the next video for Bitcoin I'm about to do, and I will see you guys later. Have a good one, guys. Thank you guys so much again for helping us hit 50,000 subscribers, and I'll see you guys in the next videos. Links are in the description for everything you need, and I pinned it to the first comment of this YouTube video. All right, guys, have a blast this weekend. Have some fun. Go out with your family. Make sure you make some time for yourself this weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday. See you guys. Bye-bye.